Ever pondered over the secret to amassing wealth online? Well, fear no more. Today we shall delve deep into the world of online money-making, breaking it down into straightforward, easy-to-follow steps. First, consider this. The internet offers a wealth of opportunities to make money. With a desire to learn, a dash of patience, and a sprinkle of creativity, anyone can tap into this digital goldmine. The initial step on this journey involves identifying your skills and interests. Are you a wordsmith, a tech guru, or an artistic savant? Perhaps you're a master of online games or a whiz in the kitchen. Whatever your talent, there's a platform waiting for you to shine. Once you've pinpointed your niche, the next step is to build a platform to showcase your talents. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or an e-commerce site. Remember, the key is to create a platform that aligns with your skills and interests. Following this, it's time to create captivating content. Be original, be authentic, and above all, be consistent. Consistency is the secret ingredient for success in the online world. Now, you might be thinking, great, I have a platform and I'm creating content, but how does this translate into money? Well, that brings us to the fourth step, monetizing your platform. This could be through advertising, affiliate marketing, selling products or services, or even through crowdfunding. Step 5 involves promoting your platform. Utilize social media, engage with your followers, and don't shy away from collaborations. The more visible you are, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your platform. Finally, remember that making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and persistence. It's like planting a seed. You need to water it, give it sunlight, and only then will it grow into a thriving plant. In summary, the keys to making money online are identifying your skills and interests, building a platform, creating captivating content, monetizing your platform, promoting it, and most importantly, being patient and persistent. So, there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to making money online. Remember, the internet is a vast ocean of opportunities waiting to be explored. The question is, are you ready to dive in?